In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Calendly link. First, open your browser and go to the official Calendly website, then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the scheduling page. Here, you'll see all the event types you've created. Find the specific event you want to share, then hover your mouse over the event card to reveal more options. From here, you'll see several ways to share your link. You can choose offer time slots if you want to insert your available times directly into an email. You can also select share availability to send your scheduling link through Gmail or Outlook. If you only want the link to be used once, you can click Create Single-Use Link, which will automatically expire after one booking. Or if you just want a simple way to share it anywhere, click Copy Link, then paste it into your message, email, or chat so others can book that exact meeting. And that's it. That's how you share your Calendly link. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.